Dealing with data is probably one of the most frustrating parts with working with unstructured information. This leads me to the question, why would anyone sort out unstructured data? Well, the answer is simple. It's to extract valuable insights, improve data accessibility, and even enable automation for reports, workflows, or processing transactions. But here's the catch. It takes hours and hours to manually sift through and organize all the data. Thankfully, AI has an easy solution. This is where I would like to introduce Unstract, a no-code platform purpose-built for large language model powered unstructured data extraction. You simply upload your file of choice, whether that's a CSV file or a PDF or any other document. Then you just simply specify your prompts for exactly what you need to extract from the unstructured data you've uploaded, whether that's the name of the issuer or whether that's an address that you're looking for. You just simply specify that as a prompt and you're going to be able to gain the extracted information. And just like that, you'll receive a combined JSON output with all the data you requested, neatly structured and ready to use. That's the power of Unstract, and it's going to basically make unstructured data easy to work with so you can focus on what really matters. And today, I'll be showcasing how you can convert PDFs or even docs to structured TXT formats, and this is for RAG with Unstract. Now, before we get started, I definitely recommend that you take a look at the Patreon page so that you can access the new subscriptions that we'll be releasing this week. With Unstract, it leverages the power of different LLMs to handle a wide variety of document formats without manual annotations, whether it's processing bank statements from 200 different banks or forms of different variations across 50 states. Unstract is going to intelligently extract data without needing custom extractors. Its AI-driven approach is going to adapt to different layouts and structures, saving you time and effort. And that leads me to a tool that they have released called LMWhisper. It's a tool designed to make sure that LLMs can work well with complex data documents, and this by preparing them in the best way possible. Think of it as a translator for tricky document formats, so LLMs can understand and process them quite easily. It has a really high precision result. It preserves the layout of your documents like the tables, sections, and lists, and it's going to help the LM extract accurate data from it. And this is why I really wanted to make a video on this, because this is something that many people in the AI space don't really know how to do so with regular LMs as well as with regular chatbots. It has a really in-depth layout parsing system, and it's going to be able to handle things like checkboxes and radio buttons, common in different forms, so that all the document details are captured properly. There's also an auto mode switching, which is where if the usual text extraction doesn't work, LMWhisper can automatically switch to OCR mode, and this is for scanning images so that it can ensure the best output is there without you having to manually choose the settings. There's also different sorts of flexible deployment options, and you also have auto compaction, which is going to reduce unnecessary tokens when sending data to the LMs. Another cool thing is that you can call the Unstruct API to quickly and efficiently transform unstructured documents into usable structured data without any sort of hassle. So now that we have gotten all of that out of the way, let's now showcase how you can actually take in unstructured data and structure it properly from various sorts of file types. To get started, just simply click on the Start for Free button over here, and this is where you can get started with LMWhisper, or you can start a 14-day free trial with their Unstract Cloud. Now, once you have registered, you can easily get started, but you can also even utilize the open source edition of Unstract. And that's the great thing about Unstract. They have a repository in which you can easily install this. But there's a couple prerequisites. You're going to need to have system requirements such as having 8 GB of RAM, which is recommended. The prerequisites are having this on Linux or Mac OS, and they suggest that it's on the Intel or M series. You must have Docker or Docker Compose installed, as well as Git. Once you have these prerequisites installed, you can either download a release or clone this repository, and you just need to simply run the Docker command within the repository. But in my opinion, it's also easier to run this on the web, and this is where they have a free trial in which you can easily get started. So you can try LMWhisper for free, and you can even try a demo out in their playground. So if you are interested in checking this out, try out the demo. which we'll take a look at in a second. But at the moment, I definitely recommend that you get started with the free plan so that you can easily start utilizing LMWhisper as well as Unstract. You want to first start off by creating a free account. Once you have done that, you'll be then sent over to this next page where you can either create an account with an email address or with your Google account. So simply do that. After registering, you'll then be sent over to the main dashboard. This is where you're going to be able to manage all your workflows as well as different settings. In the workflow tab, you can create a new workflow by simply naming it whatever you want. So in this case, we're just going to name it World of AI. Go to the description. We are going to process credit card statements, and we're going to create this workflow. So now that we have this workflow created, you can either upload your files first, and you can also even set up your prompts. In the prompt studio, this is where you can easily check this out, where this is a sample credit card prompt setting. And in this case, they have already uploaded structured data or unstructured data, and they provided different prompts to structure that data. In this case, they stated what is the name of the issuer of the bank and who issued the credit card. I'm not interested in the legal entity, but the primary brand name of the credit card. And from here, they have basically stated a couple of prompts to extract something like the spend line items, the payment info, as well as the customer name. And this way, you're going to be able to extract the different sorts of information that you would want to get out of these different documents. And in this case, you can even have it so that you can convert all of these different results into a combined output in JSON format. And this is with various models, and you can set this up with GPT-4 Omni as well as new LM providers. You can select between even Ollama as a local model. You can also support Anthropic for this. You can even utilize many of these other providers. And that's the great thing about Unstract. Now, if we are to go over to the vector database, you can set up a platform-wide access to different vector databases. You can set this up with many of these different providers. You can even provide your own embeddings. And this is the great thing about Unstract because it gives you a lot of flexibilities in this case. Now, for text extractors, you can utilize LMWhisper, which is something that I'll take a look at in a bit. Like I mentioned before, LMWhisper is going to be used for complex documents that want to be processed with LMs. It will simplify the job in giving you accurate layout preserved results. And it's going to be able to process up to 100 pages a day for free. This means that it's super easy to do this within the demo playground, and you're going to be able to simply just upload something like a sample document. There's a couple of samples already, such as a restaurant invoice, and you can see that it might be hard to actually read this, and it has a lot of different layouts such as the quantity as well as the subtotal. So let's take a look at this and let's see how LMWhisper was able to process this document. So I'm going to select this and let's see it actually start to extract the text that we can see within this invoice. It will take a couple of seconds, but it's going to try its best to analyze each component of it. And there you go. Look at that. It was able to properly extract almost every component of this invoice. And you can see that it hasn't missed anything. Mostly, it was able to accurately get every sort of information from it. And that's the power of LMWhisper. And just imagine, you can do this for 100 pages for free. And that's the capability of this amazing product. Now, let's do the same for this credit card statement. Let's see how well it's going to be able to analyze it. So let's submit it and let's see LMWhisper trying its best to extract almost every detail from it. This is quite kind of complex for an LM to analyze. And in my opinion, if you are to feed it to an average chatbot, it won't be able to process each component properly, which is why you would want to utilize something like Unstract, where it's going to be able to structure your data and it's going to be able to analyze it really, really easily. And you can see that it does a great job in getting all the components properly and structuring it in a well manner. And you can see that it was able to do this quite easily. It was able to process almost all of these different pages quite effortlessly within a couple of seconds. And this is the capability of LMWhisper. And one thing I want to mention is that you have different processing modes. You have OCR mode to process images. You can also do this with text modes. You can also change the layout to text as well as text dump. And this is to basically have different sorts of methods to process your unstructured data. So now let's take a look at the last example, which is a handwritten form. Now, for AI, it is quite difficult to analyze certain things such as handwritten forms, and it could be a struggle for it to actually extract it. But let's see LMWhisper trying its best to analyze this. So let's submit this and see how it's able to analyze all the document or like the text out of this document. And there you go. It was able to accurately extract the different checkboxes as well as the radio buttons, and you can see that it was even able to extract the written text over here. And that's what you can actually do with Unstruct. This is something that I definitely recommend that you try out, as it's completely free and open source. So definitely recommend that you try this out. I'll leave all the links that I used in today's video in the description below. Make sure you take a look at their Twitter page as well as their YouTube page, because they have a lot of tutorials explaining as to how you can do all these different things. So with that thought, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll leave all the links there in the description below. Make sure you follow me on the Patreon so that you can access different subscriptions to AI tools completely for free. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, a great way for you to stay up to date with the latest AI news. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and check out our previous videos so you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.